I am back. I'm going to be uploading more videos now. In this video, I will tell you what is a function, what is the def keyword, what is the function call, what is a function argument, and what are the return, delete, and pass keywords. So, a function is a part of a code which is used to run the same statement over and over again when called. You write the function using the def keyword. Def stands for define. And after writing the def keyword, you name your function. Let's take the name VCT here and you write the brackets and colon. And remember, there are parts of code while writing the function. One is the main code, and second is the code which is inside the function. So main code is when you write the code without a tab space, and the code of inside a function is when you take a tab space just after writing the name of a function. So now let's take a variable name and let's just print the person's name. So input, please enter your name, and print your name is variable name. After that, the function call. The function call is just used to get this function which we have made into the main code so that it can be shown in the shell. So it can be run. So a function call is very simple. All you have to do is write the name and the brackets. That's it. And when you run it, you can see that it has come inside the shell. So my name is Vyom. And so you can see it has been printed. But you may be thinking this is just like any other line of code. So let's just say I write something. This is the first function call. And I call it again. VCT and again. And when you run it, so this is the first call, Vyom. And then it has come again. So I hope you understood that you can call the function how many ever times you want just by writing the name of the function. So I hope you understood what is a function, def keyword, and the function call. Now moving on to function argument. It is used when information is to be passed into the function. So let us take a new function and let us just name it VCT again. Def VCT. And now just take a name of a variable, say ARG for argument. ARG. And then inside just write print ARG plus function. Argument is just a statement. You can write any other statement. I think you may be confused right now. Just I think you will find it easier once I write the code, run it, and show it to you. And after this, the main code, the function called write VCT, just like we did in the last function call. But inside this, we want to write a value which will substitute arg over here. If I say yes, and in the next function call, if I say no, and I run it, you can see it has been printed yes function argument, no function argument. So I think you may have understood, but a function argument over here, the yes and no, these statements have been passed into the variable arg, and that's the reason it has been printed yes function argument and no function argument. I hope you understood what is a function argument. Now, moving on to the return keyword. Let me just code this part so that it won't obstruct us. And now, return keyword. Return keyword is used to return a value from the function into the main program. So let's say we want to add two numbers just with their variables given in the function. Let's say num1 and num2. So def, let's take the name of the function ret for return, and inside the bracket write the name of the variables. They are num1 and num2. We have taken them. And then after that, the third variable tot is equal to num1 plus num2, and in the end print the result is equal to tot. Now later on in the main code, first remember that we have not given any values to num1 and num2. So we want the user to input the values, or you can just give values. Let's just give the user the option here. Integer input, enter the first number, num2 equal to integer input, enter the second number, and after that let's just do a normal function call ret num1 num2. But after this, if we just want to print dot, saying print dot, so we run it. Let's take 2 and 3 as the numbers. The result is 5. That has come because we have done a function call, and this is the function ret. But you can see in the shell it shows name dot is not defined. That is because the dot is still not come to the main code. So this is where we use the return keyword. So in the function we write return tot, and the function call we have to write tot is equal to ret num1 num2. And once we run it, I'm taking the 2 and 3, result is equal to 5, and then just printing dot, you can see 5. So I hope you understood what the return keyword is. Now moving on to the delete keyword. Let's just make use of this example. Delete keyword is represented by del. So after this, we just write del ret, the name, and we do the function call again. You can see what happens. So let's take 2 and 3. So this part just of the return keyword part which I just explained to you. But after I use the delete keyword, it says the name ret is not defined. So you may have understood delete keyword. Let me just give you a simple explanation. It is used to delete the function which is used in the main code. And now lastly, the pass keyword. Um, it is used when there is an empty function. There usually isn't supposed to be any empty function, but just in case there is. So we have to write. So let's just say there's an empty function called bct. There's nothing here. And when you run it, oh, I forgot to put the colon. When you run it, you can see there is an error shown. And just there, if you write pass and run it, you can see that there is no error shown and it just runs. So I hope you understood what the pass keyword is. In my next video, I will be elaborating more about the function arguments which I explained in this video. I hope you understood all the topics shown in this video. Thank you for watching.